Tonight's Lone Star Adventure spans much of North America, from above the Arctic Circle to North Texas. Fox 4's Richard Ray has more on dinosaurs unearthed in Alaska, eventually making their way to Fair Park, and finally to the Perot Museum in downtown Dallas.
Which is a miniature jackhammer.
Paleontologist Ron Tykowski at work extracting dinosaur teeth.
Teeth are really delicate. I really take my time and go easy on this one.
Teeth of a Tyrannosaurus from the North Slope of Alaska, part of a prehistoric treasure trove of fossils recovered on summer-long expeditions by the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. And new treasure has just arrived in the Paleo Lab at Fair Park.
Rubber molds that we made of specific dinosaur footprints that we collected this past summer, a couple weeks ago, in Denali National Park.
Dr. Tony Fiorillo has been making the summer trip to Alaska for more than a decade.
So we can have this to study back at the museum.
His work led to the discovery of a new dinosaur that's now a star attraction of an exhibit at the newly opened Perot Museum in downtown Dallas. Pachyrhinosaurus perot-orum, commonly called the Perot dinosaur. The actual skull is here, along with a full-sized model.
Every new discovery comes back to the Perot. It's just some of them actually make it on display. But every year we keep finding new things, which is why we keep going back.
This is a little horn on the tip of the snout, or on the top of the snout.
Among those new discoveries, part of the skull of a juvenile Perot dinosaur.
So the tip of the beak would be out here, big parrot-like beak. The eye would be down over here and over here. This animal died right at the onset, just before the onset of puberty, adolescence.
The Paleo Lab is actually something you can visit. The building is open on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, but you want to come on Fridays because that's when the paleontologists are actually at work here in the lab.
The Perot dinosaur was uncovered on Alaska's North Slope, but this year the team spent a lot more time further south in Denali National Park. And Dr. Fiorillo is really excited about those tracks they uncovered.
So there's one toe, two toes, there's a third toe, and a fourth toe here. The bones from the North Slope tell us who's at the dance, and these footprints tell us what the dance was. And so we learn a great deal by combining the two.
The tracks and the juvenile specimen may one day be part of the public display of Alaskan dinosaurs. In the meantime, they're helping scientists paint a more complete picture.
By finding a juvenile along with these adult specimens, it really shows us how dynamic that all was a long time ago, that there were breeding populations of animals living very comfortably in the ancient Arctic.
In Dallas, Richard Ray, Fox 4 News.
For more on the Paleo Lab at Fair Park and the Perot Museum downtown, check out the story on our website. You can find dozens of Lone Star adventures at myfoxdfw.com. Click on News, find the Lone Star tab, and bookmark. Be sure to visit often.